Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how much you should be investing each month. And I'm going to show you how much I invest each month as well. And then we're going to go over a couple of numbers on if you should save, 10% of your income or 20% of your income or 50% of your income. And we'll go over a few things all in this video right now. So, first off, I wanted to share that the average median personal income in the US at the end of 2019 was around $36,000 annually. So, that's $3,000 per month is what we're going to base this first one off of. Now, if you were to invest 10% of your savings starting at 25 years old and invested $300 every month to an account that earned roughly 5%, which is pretty modest because I'm sure you can get a little better return than that currently, the balance of the account at 65 or 40 years later would be $457,800. Now, this would be 144,000 of your own personal money contributed over 40 years, but you would also get $313,000 in interest. So you'd pretty much double your contribution plus get your contribution back. That's quite a bit of money. That's a $500,000. Now, that is only off of 10%. Now, that is based off of this chart, which you guys hear a lot, the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, where it's very common for you to use 50% of your income on needs, groceries, housing, utilities, health insurance, car payments, etc. 30% on wants, like shopping, dining out, and hobbies, and then 20% on savings. But essentially, what we have done is we've taken the 30% of wants and we've taken that out to where now you have to save and invest 50% of that chart and you use the other 50% to live off of. Now, that would be a great scenario. Now, remember what I said about making $500,000 if you invested $300 every month, because that's 10% of 3,000, right? Now look at this. What if you took the same $3,000 and you halved it? So now you're doing $1,500 a month into the exact same account with the exact same interest. Okay, so that'd be $18,000 for the year at a 5% rate for 40 years. You would make $2,174,000. Doesn't that sound a lot better than a $500,000? Why? Because you saved and invested 50% of your income, not 20% of your income, which is very important. The more you can save and the more you can invest, the more you will get return in the long run. Now, $2 million is an amazing number compared to 457,000. And you're saving quite a bit more. But here's the thing, not a lot of people can live off of $1,500. Some people can, some people cannot. So, in order for the 50% rule to work, you will actually have to make either more money, say $4,000, $5,000, or you'll have to cut your expenses and your bills in half. Now, a few ways you can do that is one, pay your credit cards off, don't have debt. Two, pay your car off. So then that's going to give you an extra, $300, $400, $500 a month that you could be saving instead of putting toward a car payment, and don't trade it in for another car. And three, if you already have a home or you are in the process of thinking of buying a home, make sure you do it responsibly and you don't buy too much house and get into what they call kind of like house poor, or is it house poor or house rich, where you are basically have all this home and like almost equity in this home, but you're struggling to make the payment every month. So live somewhere below your means. I mean, There's places here who, in my location, people only make around $1,500 a month. So they're living off of like $700, $800 a month. So it just depends on your location. Maybe and you live in New York and you make $5,000 or $10,000 a month. Well, really try to downsize some of your expenditures and cut it in half to where you can save more money. Now, rich people, now here's the thing. So, poor people spend 90% of their money and save 10% if they're lucky to have any money left over to save. Rich people, they spend 10% of their income and save and invest the other 90%. That's why they could keep growing wealth. That's why they could keep making businesses and investing money and making more money back, because they figured out like the more money I throw at it, the more that comes back to me. And so, how much do I save and invest monthly? I'm actually building up toward the 50% mark. But right now, I'd say I'm probably like about 30 to 35% of my savings. So, hypothetically speaking, if I were to make 3,000 a month, I would be saving $1,000 of that money or investing it. The other 2,000 I am living off of, hypothetically. But I don't necessarily make 3,000 a month. Just for the safety of it, it could be more and it could be less. This is just an example. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video insight on saving and investing money. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get all the notifications for my next videos. And this is actually video number 9 out of the 30-day series videos. So, hope you guys have a great day.